Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest today is Jennifer at home, and she has chosen the theme wildflowers. So I'm going to start with this really pretty table runner that has wildflowers on it that I purchased last year from Amazon. Next, I'm going to add this really pretty heart-shaped woven basket to the center. And this was recently thrifted. And to the basket, I'm going to add this yellow napkin and this really pretty tea towel. Adding the yellow napkin first. And then this really cute tea towel that says the bee's knees. That was from the Dollar Tree. The yellow napkin was from Amazon. Next, I'm going to add these pretty yellow sunflowers in this honeycomb little pitcher that I ordered from Amazon. And I'm going to place that in the middle of the basket. Okay, next I'm going to add these faux muffins and cupcakes to the basket. I'm just going to place them around the pitcher with the sunflowers in it. And these were also purchased from Amazon. I love decorating with these because they're so realistic looking. Okay, I'm just going to give you a close-up of what I've done so far. So now I'm just tucking the napkin and the tea towel here and there. Okay, next I'm going to be adding this really pretty gold and silver fork to a cream colored napkin and my beaded napkin rings. And then I have this really pretty sunflower dessert plate. Dollar Tree for that, with the matching plate that has the sunflowers and bumblebees on it. And I'll be setting the table for 4. But here we go with the place setting. I think these Dollar Tree plates are so pretty. Okay, next I'm going to be adding these yellow candles in a crystal candle holder to each side of the centerpiece. Next, I'm going to be adding these beautiful large wine glasses. Those came from the Dollar General. And then for a water glass, I'm going to add these slightly tinted blue glasses, Dollar Tree for those. And I'll be placing those at each of the 4 settings. And then I have this little blue cupcake holder. And I'm going to be adding one of my faux cupcakes here with the strawberry and the cookie on top. I think that looks so delicious. The blue cupcake holder I got from the Dollar General. Now I have a salt and pepper shaker. This one looks like a little watering can. Isn't that cute? And then to go with it, I have this little hummingbird. I had purchased both of those at the Cracker Barrel gift shop. Okay, here is my wildflower tablescape for today. Isn't it pretty? And I will be adding these pillows here. I ordered the pillow covers from Amazon. So I've got 2 of those. And here's a close-up of my table setting for today. Now stay tuned because I will be lighting the candles. Okay, here I am lighting the candles. Now I want to thank Anna and Jennifer for hosting today's collaboration, and be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye for now.